What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to tell which specific Pinterest accounts and boards that are other than yours are sharing your pins, which is leading back to more traffic coming to your site. When we start to grow our Pinterest account, we do have the pins that we create get distributed on the Pinterest search engine. We do get more impressions and ultimately more outbound clicks. But as this process is happening, you will notice that other people like your pins. They may even take those pins and share it and use it in one of their accounts and boards. And those other accounts and boards also get traffic from other Pinterest users, which can lead to more clicks coming to your website. The question is, how do you tell which specific accounts and boards are actually doing that? And that's what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. Now, before I do, let me just quickly say that if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vitaly. I'm someone that makes money online for a living. I do things like affiliate marketing. I teach about traffic generation, about Pinterest, about growing an online business, and I help beginners do this as well. One of the things that I personally do with regards to Pinterest is I have a website called The Nature Seeker, which I drive traffic from Pinterest to, and it actually helps me make money like this over here. A bunch of this actually comes from Pinterest traffic. And in order to explain how that fully works and how to actually do this as well, where you can create a website that gets traffic from Pinterest and other sources and makes money, I will also leave a link below in the description of this video to share a full beginner case study that's free to check out, that teaches this, provides an action plan so you can start doing this as well as another bonus on top of that, which you're welcome to check out. But getting back to the main point, in terms of finding out who's sharing your pins on which accounts and which boards, here's how you do it. Step one is you're going to want to go to your analytics overview in Pinterest. To do that, you will go here on the top left, and underneath Analyze Performance, you'll click on Analytics Overview. Once you click on that, you're going to want to click on More Filters. And then after you click on More Filters, you're going to go down to the bottom and click on Other Pins, click on Apply. And what this is going to do is it's going to show you how much traffic your website gets from Pinterest underneath where it says outbound clicks from other accounts that share your pins. Now, we're going to want to dig deeper into that. And in order to do that, we're going to scroll down on this very same page now that this is filtered to other people, and we're going to go to where it says Top Pins. Now, we're going to select outbound clicks, and this is going to filter the pins that I have created that are shared on other people's accounts. You can tell that by, well, these are all my pins over here, but where it says source, you'll notice that all of them say other pins. And what that means is this pin that I created was shared by one or more people, or rather they took that pin and they put it on one of their boards in their accounts. And it could be more than one person, as you'll see in a moment. Now, this is where we go to the next step. So we have to take one of the pins that we see here. Let's take the top performing one. So this pin right here that I created was shared by one or more different accounts. In other words, they shared it on their accounts, and it got 115 clicks in the last 30 days. And the way I know that it's last 30 days is because I have that filter selected here. You can actually go further if you want. But let's keep it simple. Let me do this next. In order to find out who's sharing this pin on which account and which boards, I will click on this, and this will open up the URL to this specific pin that I have. Now, you will see stats, impressions, pin clicks, saves, and all that. What we're going to want to do is click on See More Stats. And this will open up a page where you will get even more details, including what we're looking for, which is who's sharing it, which I'll show in a moment. But where it says outbound clicks, it says 111. And what we're going to want to do is scroll down and see where it says saved to these boards. These are the other accounts and boards for which my pin, this one, has been saved to. I don't control these boards. These are other real people that liked my pin, put it on their board, and other people from Pinterest are visiting these boards, seeing my pin, and clicking to my website as a result, which is allowing me to get 111 clicks to my website as a result. And so here's the thing, there's 3 different boards here, probably 3 different accounts, but if you want to see all of them, you just click on where it says See All. And this will open up all of the boards, and this is probably belonging to quite a few other accounts. I mean, this has been shared a lot by other people. I mean, these are all different accounts and different boards where my pin is located. So let's say I click on this first one that's travel. Now this person, thank you very much by the way, shared my pin over here. So this board that they have, people are visiting this board from Pinterest, and mine is popping up over here. But it's mine, it belongs to me. So when people click on this, they click and they visit my website as a result. So this is just a way of social media sharing that's going on over here, and it's helping me get more traffic to my website. Now, this is just how to tell to do that. If you want to get more people to do this kind of stuff, share your content and in the form of pins on their account, that is, we obviously want more because that leads to more traffic, as you can see here. My answer to that is check out my YouTube playlist that I'll leave below this video, which provides tips on how to do all of this. But in a nutshell, it really involves just creating a lot of pins every day, targeting popular keywords, and just rinsing and repeating that, because as you grow your numbers, more people will see your pins, your account, and that will lead to more shares. But again, the details of that are shared in more videos in the playlist that I will leave a link to below this video. So that's how it works. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about this, let me know. But I will also once again say that if you're interested in learning how to build a business like I have with my nature site that gets Pinterest traffic, and here's how it's making money from sources of traffic like Pinterest and beyond. There's other sources of traffic that come to the website leading to this income. There's actually more than that, but the full case study on how this all works and how to do this if you're a beginner is explained in the link that I'll also leave below this video. It's a free case study. It provides an action plan to follow, as well as another awesome bonus. And just as well, a playlist link to my other YouTube videos involving Pinterest, so you can learn how to generate more traffic from this search engine to your website. So thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.